Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 29th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. And it's time now for the last puzzle, the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 6676. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But this one has 16, double of those numbers. Should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 4 stars. In the 4 stars puzzle, I need 4 stars puzzle. 30 minutes or more. Yeah, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. This is really a 4 stars Tectonic. I do not know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Alright, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Contains the 1 and the 2? No dual boxes in this puzzle. I see here triple box and there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. Here the 2 is given. So the 1 and the 3 are left. The 1 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, yeah, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Same as there. The box near the middle box always 4 or a 5. Okay, triple box, quadra boxes now. Do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? Let me see. No quadra boxes here. Well. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Same for this L shape. The same boxes. Okay. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Nope. L shapes. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? We have here the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah. This one is a T shape. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that and this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. But we already have a 1 there. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. This box can be 8. Well, wait. 3 missing numbers in the T shape. One of the missing numbers is 1. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. That box can be a 1. We have a 1 over here. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T shape area. It should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then I need to go up. Yeah. Let me see. 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, and the 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4 is connected with that box. Will be also 3 and the 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 1, 2, 4. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 is connected with that box. So we also 3 and a 5. This one is connected with that box. So we also 3 and a 5. Cannot be a 1 anymore. Okay. And this box is also connected with that box. So we also 3 and the 5. So I've eliminated the 1 there. So the 1 should be here. Alright, so I need a 2 here in this area. The 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. Alright, then let me see. 3, 2, 4, 1 and 5. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Right. We need a 4 in this area. This box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. I should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. It should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. It should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box. So 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Here also the same numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 could be here. It could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double one there. If I place one here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. This box can also not be a one, so the one could be here, could be there. Alright. Then I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. One of the missing number in this T-shaped area is the number 1. Well, this box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this area is the number 2. Well, the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we already have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left now, the 3 and a 5 in this area. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 3 then, and this box is connected with that box should be also 3, is also connected with that box should be also 3, and this box is also connected with that box should be also 3. So one box left in this area for number 5, one box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Well, I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left here in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4 and is connected with that box should be also a 4. One box left in this area for number 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Well, and now, this box, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be a 2? If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Yeah, could be a 3. Yeah, should be a 3. I think can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Well, I cannot place the 5 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. Yeah, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Here also 2 and a 5. Well, how about this box? Can it be a 1? Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? 1 number left, number 5 is connected with that box should be also 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Alright, these two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 there, that means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. And 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. I marked those two boxes with 3. Well, we already have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now. Then. Well, let me think. No 1 there, no 3 there. I need to think now. 1. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. I like this one. Yes, I like this one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, Friday, last working day of the week. Until then, bye bye for now.